So you have this space gray Apple Watch, and this week is your last chance to get whichever watch bands you don't have yet, before the new ones come out. Today I'm showing you how most of the newer sport loops look with this color. Spoiler, it practically matches all of them. Some more than others, but I'm sure you'd still like to see it. Enjoy and give this a like if it helps. Subscribe for more. By the way, not all of these are genuine Apple. Can you guess which ones are real? Those who get it right have a chance to win a new Apple Watch band. Details at the end. The space gray Apple Watch brings out the darker weaving of Obsidian Mist. Didn't even know it was there until I paired these together. Same with purple pulse, which seems to look good with every Apple Watch. On space gray, it blends in with its dark color, and the reflective material adds contrast. Plum Sport Loop's dark tone blends in with space gray really well. It gives off a glow that's not too bold without losing its alluring character. This watch case is basically black, so even bright bands like Kumquat Sport Loop can work. It has a green edge that's dark, so it kind of blends into the watch. It gives your watch a happier vibe. Inverness Green Sport Loop is a very toned down green, which is perfect for space gray. It even color blocks with a perfectly matching edge to suit it. Out of all the Apple Watch colors, I enjoy space gray and graphite with the Sport Loop the most. It gives it the right contrast that best shows off the green. Sometimes black and navy doesn't work, but this season's deep navy is an easily distinguishable navy, so you get enough contrast. I actually have a full review on this watch band, link above or in description. Take a look. Product red. This is like matching black and red. It always works. Even though this season it's more like coral, I still like it. Last but not least is cream Sport Loop, giving good contrast with space gray. That's it. Vote for your favorite one in the comments below. For the giveaway, I'll randomly draw from the most correct guess of real watch bands mentioned earlier. Leave your guess and Instagram handle in the comments so I can contact you. You can follow me at Supertech_USA. Giveaway ends on April 29. I hope this helps. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Hit that bell icon so YouTube notifies you when I unbox the next wave of watch bands, rumored for April 20. Thanks for watching.